Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to turn on dark mode on Facebook. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the Facebook application. So after this you can see three lines on the top right corner. So click on it and then click on setting and privacy. So after click on setting and privacy, you can see setting option. So click on setting and then scroll down, and in preference you can see accessibility option. So click on accessibility. So after this here you can see display option. So click on view and then click on dark mode. So after this here you can see on or off option. So if you want to turn on dark mode, so just click on it. So you can see dark mode is enabled. So guys, in this way you can turn on dark mode on Facebook application. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.